Now you're going to read your claim and ask yourself the questions. If you answered no to any of the questions, you will need to revise your claim. Is the claim clearly stated? Does the claim communicate your opinion or conclusion about the text? Is the claim specific to the question, original, and able to be supported by evidence? Is the claim based on evidence you gathered from the unit text? Now you're going to gather and organize evidence in preparation for composing your work. You will organize evidence from the Understanding AI tool and gather additional evidence from the text in this section to support your claim from the previous activity. You will record your evidence on the Evidence tool. You will have 15 minutes to work on this activity. Now you're going to review the question, your thesis statement, and the evidence you have gathered. Using evidence from 2 to 3 texts in this section, explain how artificial intelligence is portrayed in both the literary and historical text in this section. How does this portrayal reflect the fears and hopes that people had toward artificial intelligence? You are going to identify the supporting claims of your thesis statement. Each supporting claim or point is a focus for each body paragraph of your work. You're going to write a topic sentence in your reading response journal for each of your body paragraphs to outline your work. In doing so, you will introduce the supporting claim, identify how it relates to your response in your thesis statement, and use a transition word or phrase to introduce the topic sentence and/or identify how the topic sentence connects to the other sentences. As you're working on this activity, you will need to think about the following. What are the different parts of your thesis statement? Do you provide adequate textual evidence for each supporting claim? You will have 20 minutes to complete this activity. Now you're going to read the question. In your reading response journal, you are going to create a draft that answers the question. You will use your evidence tool and your Understanding AI tool as you create your draft. Using evidence from 2 to 3 texts in this section, you will explain how artificial intelligence is portrayed in both the literary and historical texts in this section. How does this portrayal reflect the fears and hopes that people had toward artificial intelligence? As you draft your response, you need to make sure that you include a topic sentence for each paragraph and that your paragraph develops the topic sentence. Once you have created your draft, you need to review the prompt and the section diagnostic checklist. And you need to be able to respond positively to, does your response address the prompt? And does your response meet the expectations? You will have the remainder of class to complete this activity. If you do not complete this activity during class, you will need to complete it for homework. It will be due at the start of the next class session. Congratulations! You have completed Section 1, Lesson 5 of the Artificial Intelligence Unit. In this lesson, you use the Section Diagnostic Checklist to review the Section Diagnostic Draft.